super heavy.
Okay.
I can't do it.
Just try.
It's not heavy. So, and this is the bowling game, and we always play and we never stop until the end. But Daddy almost won, but I win. Mommy was pretty, I was Slayer, and Daddy was Datoy. But I'm the one who came up with Datoy. And then Daddy changed Datoy to Slayer, so I am Datoy. And then I didn't know, I was still noob. I was like my first time playing with my dad.
It's okay.
I had a bowling with my cousins, but I never play actually. I never do the throw. It came out very fun, and then we all stopped because the game ended. And when we were playing bowling, we were having fun, and we went for the punching thing. I got 900, Daddy got 9,000. So I wanted to play archery, but that's only for adults. Watch out for our new videos, and like and subscribe.